In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do on PC. Microsoft To Do is a simple, powerful way to organize tasks, set reminders, and plan your day, and it syncs across your Windows PC, the web, and mobile. Think of it as your personal command center for everything you need to remember, from work plans to groceries. Start by opening the Microsoft To Do app on your Windows PC and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, take a moment to look around. You'll see a sidebar with your lists and helpful views, and the main area where your tasks live. To create a task, click into a list like My Day, or any list you've set up, type the task name, and press Enter. You can add as many tasks as you like to each list. When you finish something, click the circle or checkbox next to it to mark it complete. Completed tasks get a check mark and drop to the bottom, which keeps your active list clean and focused. Organizing by lists is a great way to separate areas of your life. Create lists for categories such as work, personal errands, or shopping. Use the New List button in the sidebar to add one, and if you need to rename or delete a list, open the three-dot menu next to the list name. My Day is your daily focus space, and it resets every day. Add tasks from any list into My Day to highlight what you want to accomplish today. It's like a fresh agenda, helping you avoid overwhelm by prioritizing just what matters now. For time-bound items, select a task and set a due date or a reminder time. When a task has a date, it automatically appears in the planned view, which gathers everything with deadlines so you can see what's coming up at a glance. Open any task to add more detail. Break big items into steps to make progress easier and more trackable. Use notes to capture context or links you'll need later. If something is critical, use the star to mark it as important. You can also add tags with hashtags to group related tasks, which makes searching and filtering more intuitive. Starred tasks show up in the important view, giving you a dedicated place to scan high-priority items without hunting through every list. And when you want to coordinate with others, share a list so everyone can add tasks and check them off together, keeping the whole group in sync. That's the core of Microsoft To Do on PC. Create, organize, prioritize, and plan with confidence. Try these features together and you'll find your workflow gets smoother, your day feels clearer, and nothing slips through the cracks.